You guys, as you all know, we had a shock drop restock yesterday of a sneaker that I knew a lot of people wanted. Hopefully there was a lot of retail W's, but I'm going to be honest, with a lot of sneakers that we've had lately, I would be surprised if this is the last restock we see. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys, never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead, let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. Ball like switch. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with raw, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to get all the notifications every time I drop one of these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at therealhegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfectbrimz, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. You guys, today's video, what we are talking about, of course, is a sneaker that we did see restock yesterday, and that was the Air Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester Brick After Brick. This shoe actually shock drop restocked yesterday on the Sneakers app. And honestly, they've been kind of showing up in a couple stores here and there. The old Trophy Room store in Orlando had a restock. I'll throw up a picture of what the store is called now, and I think that's probably just the rebrand of it. But they did get a small restock of them as well. But you guys, let's pay attention. Let's watch what everybody's doing, because I personally do not think this is going to be the last sneaker that we see restocked. I think that whenever you have like downtimes like we have right now, that's when Nike usually is going to restock things, whenever nothing's really happening, because August, a lot's going to pick back up, but this week, not so much. So I do think that that's why they did it this week. Not much was going on, drive some revenue and everything, and I think that's kind of the strategy that they're going with. So I personally do not think that this is going to be the very last restock we see. I think we could actually maybe see another restock of these eventually at some point as well. But for me personally, I hope everybody that wanted the pair was able to get a pair for retail. Again, I just do not think, in my gut, I think that there's going to be more restocks coming, not just of this shoe, but in a lot of sneakers in general. I think as stuff starts to sell out and everything, we'll get random Jordan reserves again, or we might get just random restocks at some point on the Nike app and stuff like that. I think that's kind of how it's going to probably go. That's just my opinion. Will that happen? Who knows? I'm not going to work for Nike, but we will see. In my gut tells me that's not going to be the last restock we see of sneakers. And I do think, honestly, holiday time is going to be absolutely insane. August is full of nothing but bangers. I feel like August is nothing but a lot of great sneakers. So if I was you guys, again, if you were able to hit for these, great. But other than that, I wouldn't be spending too much right now, because we are going to have to spend a decent chunk of change in August. But a lot of sneakers are going for under retail, so that will help a little bit as well. But in my opinion, I think it's cool whenever they do restock stuff like this. It's not going for much over retail. If this was a shoe you guys really wanted, it's not going for much, you guys. I mean, a size 10 is $269 is the lowest. Last sales $269. But if you go from 9.5, 9, they're both $231, 8.5, $236. 8's $234. If you're a size 12 or 13, that's the only sizes that are over $300, unless you're like a 14, 15, or 16. Of course, those are going to be a lot higher as well. But an 11.5, $296, 11's $279. After fees and everything, yeah, 100%, it's going to be over $333 for me after out the door. So in my opinion, that is going to affect a lot of people buying these as well. So hopefully a lot of people did get retail dubs, because again, whenever you buy the Sneakers app, you don't have to pay for shipping. So that is great. And I've heard a lot of people actually still haven't gotten their pairs from Nigel, which is a little weird. Let me know in the comment section down below if that's the case that you're in right now. Because again, that is something that is kind of curious. This has been a couple months now. Like, why would you not have them out yet? You know, did you oversell, whatever? But if that's the case, refund the people and let them go after the Sneakers app restock. But it doesn't make much sense, because the Sneakers app just had a restock. So there's definitely more pairs out there. You could have figured that out if that was the case. But who knows what was really going on and everything. I hope everybody got that figured out, but I did have a lot of people complaining about that to me. And, you know, unfortunately, that's just sometimes how it goes whenever some of these websites, you may put more in one size than what you actually have and less in one than what you have, and then have to do all the inventory kind of shakeups and stuff like that. It happens. It's happened multiple times, and it probably will happen once again. But you guys, in my opinion, this was a great restock. This was a great time for a lot of people to pick up a retail pair. I just think that this is just going to be something that we see gradually throughout the year. Whenever down times happen, whenever slow times are going down, I think we will see some kind of restock of some sneakers. So be paying attention, be alert. Again, download the J23 app, follow Soul Links on Twitter, follow Elo Monitors. There's a lot of places that can give you guys info faster than I can, because they're doing it in real time. I'm trying to make a video and edit it and get it up and everything for you guys. Those people are doing it immediately. I just can't do that unless I just go live, which I may start trying to do that as well. But just how some things go, I think the best bet would be to follow them, because I'm trying to get it out to you as soon as possible. That usually just is not the case, but it is really cool to see restocks of a sneaker like this happen. It would be nice to see like a Virgil one, like that would be really cool if the Alaska restocked or something like that. And maybe we get it during the holiday. That would be really, really cool as well. But do I think that one will? Probably not. And I don't even know how many pairs they actually restocked this morning. I don't have any kind of stock numbers or anything like that, but I would venture to say there was a decent amount, but not a whole lot. I would say maybe 600, 700, something like that. And for a restock, that's a decent amount. But whenever you're talking about a grand scheme of things, that's nothing, especially whenever you have people like us that get the scoop before it happens and post it and stuff like that. But in my opinion, absolutely great. If you guys did get a retail W, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys did. I'm just super happy that if you took L's before, or if you were somebody that actually didn't get their pair from Nigel after winning, I really, really, really hope that you guys got some kind of W today. That would be great. That would be karma right there, because then you would save money from the shipping, because the shipping was like 20 bucks off Nigel's website. So that would be pretty cool to get a W that way and save a little bit of money. But hopefully that's not the case for everybody. I just really, really hope that people actually get their pairs, because I know a lot of people were looking forward to these, and they are a absolutely fire sneakers. So these are great. I think the resale, again, will probably stay around there. I don't think it's going to go up too awful much. You know, it may get in the 300s at some point, but I don't think it's ever going to get anywhere close to the brick by brick. That sneaker is just, that one's just one of the ones that had crazy amount of hype to it, had crazy amount of things happen to it that helped push the narrative too. You had train heists and everything like that, just insane. So much had that sneaker just kind of going for a lot of money. So much was going on. But to me, in my opinion, this is one of those great sneakers that we just have to love, cannot pass up on. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. Did you guys get a retail W from the shock drop yesterday, or did you guys get an L? Let me know in the comment section down below. As always, guys, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Got a lot of stuff coming your guys' way. And again, hope you guys have a blessed day. Please, please, please stay safe this week. We've got a lot of things coming your guys' way. Love y'all. Peace.